Hello and welcome to Thrively. Thrively was founded on the core philosophy that every child has a genius and they deserve to thrive. We do this by identifying strengths, supporting well-being, and instilling hope. Our mission is to bring a paradigm shift into education through asset-based learning. With a strengths-based approach, every community is valuable. Every person has strengths and potential. In this video, I'll be walking you through our playlists, one of the powerful ways Thrively helps you put these values into action in your classroom. Think of playlists as themed folders, each containing a collection of lessons focused on supporting identified learning goals. Designed to support all learners, playlists foster meaningful opportunities for reflection and growth. Playlists help students recognize and build on their strengths, tap into their unique abilities, and cultivate positive habits of mind that support lifelong learning. To help you get started with confidence, Thrively has created comprehensive program guides. Each guide includes grade-level specific content along with a clear scope and sequence that educators can easily follow with their class. These guides provide detailed, organized information to support you in assigning meaningful lessons and tracking student progress with clarity and ease. To access additional playlists, we'll head to the playlist library. From your dashboard, navigate to the toolbar on the left, select Enrichment, and then click on Playlists. Within the playlist library, Thrively has created a vast collection of ready-to-use and easily accessible playlists. You can find different playlists within our search bar or within our program collections. Playlists can also be organized by grade levels. Within each playlist, you'll find content connected to the description and skills of the playlist. Each lesson includes a variety of multimedia elements and reflection questions to support deeper learning. For accessibility, students can have the reflection questions read aloud. Students can reflect by typing text, uploading an image, recording a video, or creating an audio recording. To assign a playlist, you'll simply go to the playlist of your choosing, click the Assign button, and then select the class or students you'd like to have access to this playlist. As a teacher, you can easily track all of your students' work by accessing progress reports. This allows you to see all the students assigned to a specific playlist and to track their individual progress in real time. Within the playlist section, you not only have the playlist library, but the assigned playlist for anything you've assigned to your students. You also have access to My Playlists for playlists you've created. With Thrively Playlists, you have everything you need to support your students' growth, all in one place, organized, accessible, and tailored for their success. These curated learning experiences empower you to meet your students where they are, while helping them build the skills, confidence, and mindset they need to thrive. Thank you for your commitment to asset-based learning and strengths-based education. Let's humanize learning together. We look forward to partnering with you to create strengths-based, joyful, and hopeful classrooms so that every child thrives. Please reach out to us at thrively.com or thrive@thrively.com. Our students are waiting on us.